Hello, Valeria and Kayla. Make sure y'all hit the like button, okay? Hola, Mariah. All right. I'm sending out messages to people to remind them to come get on my live, even though I go live every day at the same time. You think by now people would know, but you know. So I'm sending out my reminder. If you got your books, you can open to page 38. All right. Andreas, Amy, Caesar, Darlene. I see you. Some people say that my reminder is the only thing that wake them up. All right. So let me. I'm sending my reminder text. All right. But we're gonna do dividing today. Dividing. You can do turn to page 38 if you got your Star Master book. Turn to page 38. All right. Ms. Lino, I got your email. I'm gonna answer you back. Okay. I got your email. I just haven't responded yet. I got you. All right. Got about 13 people on here. Give like 2 more minutes. All right. What's up, Chris? All right. Some of y'all, I got a text from the principal. He says for me to tell some of y'all that y'all still haven't picked up your books and your journals and all of that from the school. So I'm gonna look back at the text that he sent me. I'm gonna tell y'all what names he got. I know Edwin was on there. All right. What's up, Thomas? Um, Amy is in here. All right. So I sent out my messages. Hopefully everybody get on live or whatever. Um, but again, the principal sent me a message for the people that were in my class. All right. Either me or Miss Trejo homeroom. Edwin needs to get his stuff. If anybody knows where Kenneth stay, little Kenneth that's in Miss Lewis homeroom. If anybody know little Kenneth, tell him he needs to pick his stuff up. Gregory. If anybody know where Gregory is, that's in Miss Lewis homeroom. Let me see who else. Um, Little Kelvin, that's in Miss Trejo homeroom. Hey, Marie, I see you. Um, Jaylin, Barrios, if you on here, you go get your stuff from school. Uh, Glennie and Madeline and Emmeline, all of those that's in Miss Trejo homeroom. If y'all know where they live, then tell them to go to the school and get their books and stuff, because the principal is expecting them to pick up their stuff. All right. Hi, Mariah Perry. I'm glad you're awake, Mariah Perry. And if any of y'all see Omarion, y'all can send me his Instagram name because I know he on Instagram. All right, Chris, we're gonna do dividing today. All right, and make sure y'all checking Class Dojo if y'all have Class Dojo, because I know Miss Trejo be sending y'all messages on Class Dojo. I send y'all messages sometime. All right, if y'all know Lupita and Landry, their books are still at school. Caleb, right, and Cesar. All right, what's up, Robert? Cesar, your book is still at school. All right. And Eliana. I know Eliana be on here sometime. Eliana, if you on here, your book and stuff is still at school. All right. Again, I don't know. Um, they say we going back May the 4th. I'm not sure about that. I don't think we going, but you know, I'm good, A Marie. How are you? I'm a little tired because my son woke up in the middle of the night. But other than that, I'm cool. All right. Also, I have a faculty meeting at 2 o'clock. After I'm done with this, at 2 o'clock, I have a meeting with all your teachers online. So I might send out a TikTok post or an Instagram post, just letting you know what they say. All right. All right. Well, I'm not gonna hold you that long. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right. Let me type in the page number. We're going in the Star Masters book, page 38. All right. Now, while you're getting your book or you turning to page 38, I'm gonna go ahead and do the I do problem on the board. Okay. The I do problem. This is page 38. It says basically what is the quotient for 392 divided by 26. All right. I know it's a glare. Cesar, it's a whole packet full of stuff. I know I saw it. It was a journal, the science book, and something else. All right. He sent me a picture of it, so I don't know exactly what was in there, but it was some stuff in a rubber band. All right. I'm gonna rewrite this. I wrote it too small. All right. Again, this is page 38 in the book. All right. So the question says, what is the quotient for the division problem below? And it has 392 divided by 26. Right? All right. All right. All right. This problem has 3 cycles because it has 3 places in the place value spot. But since this is a 2-digit number, I know the answer to the first cycle is 0. All right. I know it's a little glare here. All right. Now, 0 times 26 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down the 9, and that's 39. Right? Now, 26 goes into 39 one time. 1 times 26 is 26. Subtract 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have 13, and I bring down that last 2. Right? So I need to figure out how many times does 26 go into 132. Well, if I look at all my answer choices on page 38, number 2, the answer is either 16 or 15 with remainders. So I already got the 1, which means this answer is going to be a 5 or a 6. All right? So 26 times 5, well, 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 2 is 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. Well, this is 130, and I only have 132, which means if this is times 5, I don't have enough to do it times 6. So there has to be a 5 right here. All right. 5 times 26 is 130. And when I subtract, I have a remainder of 2. So my answer for for page 38, number 2, the answer is 15 remainder 2, which means the answer is C. All right, good. Some of you have typed in the 5s, right? Cesar, I see you. All right. So if you have your books, page 38, number 2, this is the I do problem. So you can go ahead and show your work and go ahead and bubble it in. All right. I'll give you about 30 seconds to do that. Okay. I'm gonna type in the we do. We do problem is page 38, number 3. All right. The we do problem is page 38, number 3. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase the I do and go ahead and put the we do up here. Is Gabby on here? Mariah, make sure you tell Gabby to she can get her stuff from the school today. All right. All right, ready to go? This is the we do. All right. All right. Well, Jakayla, we not gonna worry about Gabby then. She don't want to do nothing. That's cool. Let her be late. All right. Now, the we do problem is number 3. All right. It says each picnic table at the park can seat 16 people. All right. So that's a group of people. So 16 represents the groups. All right. Mrs. Brown knows there will be 2,014 people attending the community picnic. That's the total. So the total is 2,014 people. All right. Now I'm going to divide that by 16 because there are 16 people at each picnic table. Right? And the question says, what is the minimum number of picnic tables she must reserve to make sure everyone has a seat? Right? Now, Jakayla, if she in a group chat now, tell her to get on this live because she needs to be getting a grade. Right? Now, in my class, I taught you a shortcut is you take this divisor and then you get groups of that divisor on the side. Right? It'll help you out when you come to divide. So if I do 16, that's 1, plus 16, that's 32. So that's 2 groups. Another group of 16 is 48. That's 3 groups. Another group of 16, that's 64, which is 4 groups. And another group of 16, is 80, which is 5 groups. All right. Now, I normally take the first 5 groups, but if you want to be for sure that you know the answer, just go all the way to 9 groups of 16. Because the biggest number you will have in each spot is 9. All right. Now, 16 cannot go into 2. So the answer to the first cycle is 0. I have no thousands, right? And if you look in the answer choices, your answers only have hundreds, which means that in the thousands place, it should be a 0, right? Now, if you look in your answer choices, in the hundreds cycle, they all have 1s, which means the next cycle, the answer has to be a 1, right? So 0 times 16 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2, and I bring down the next 0 in the cycle. That means, according to all my answer choices, since they all have a 1 in the hundreds place, 16 can only go into 20 one time. All right? Now, 1 times 16 is 16. I subtract. This is a 4. And I bring down the 1. All right? Now, if I look at all my answer choices again, because I'm in the tens place, well, in the tens place, all of them have a 2. So I know 2 groups of 16 is going to be in 41, right? 2 times 16 is not 41, though. 2 times 16 is 32, right? So when I subtract 41 minus 32, this becomes 3, this becomes 11, and 11 minus 2 is 9. 3 minus 3 is 0, right? So 9, and I bring down the last cycle, which is 4, right? So I need to see how many groups of 16 can I get out of 94, right? So this is where this helps you out. 1 group is 16, 2 groups is 32, 3 groups is 48, 4 groups is 64, 5 groups is 80. So if I take another group of 16, that's 96, which is too big. All right. So I can't quite get 16 groups, right? So the real answer right here is not 6. The real answer is a 5 right here. 5 times 16, though, is 80. And I would have a remainder of 14. So the real answer is 125, remainder 14. But this is where snipers come in. Because, Andrea, you were right. The answer is C. Because if you go back to the question, it says, what is the minimum number of picnic tables she must reserve to make sure everyone has a seat? If you pick B, everyone won't have a seat because you have 125 tables, but you also have 14 people remaining to get a seat. The answer is not B. B is the sniper. The answer is C. Because I have 125, but this remaining 14 means I need another table, which means I need 126. All right. So I did this problem so you wouldn't forget. In my class, I taught you about the remainder sniper. If you have an answer, and I know, Andrea, you was looking at everybody put B, huh? Where everybody was getting hit by the remainder sniper. The question says that you need to reserve a table so that everyone has a seat. If you only do 125, you're gonna have 14 people remaining. Are you gonna be part of that 14 people that stand up, or are you gonna tell them get another table? right? So the answer is 126, right? So this is just me reminding you of the remainder sniper, right? So I want y'all to be aware of that. Sometimes because a problem has a remainder, you're gonna need another one added to the answer, right? It's just like that example I gave you in class that said Mr. Traham is taking all these kids on a field trip. How many buses do I need to take all the kids on the field trip? Well, if you part of the remainder, do you want to be a kid that's left and not going on the field trip? Or are you going to say, Mr. T, I need you to get another bus? All right? Now, the problem for homework, all you have to do is page 39. Right? Page 39 has 4 questions. So that's easy. So I'm going to type it in. That's the independent practice. All right? Again, you guys can send me a picture of it on Instagram. You can email it to me like Miss Lino did. She emailed me her work. Hopefully, if I have some time today, I'll be able to go back through some of your work because some of y'all got some questions wrong on the other ones. So I'll help you correct it. Okay? Just give me some time. I've been putting together baby furniture and doing all this stuff for the baby. So whenever I get some time, I'm going to go through all of them. So just keep sending me the work and I'll check it. Okay? Any questions? Yes, you can take it to school when you go back. Actually, I'm going to pick it up when you come back. When you go back to school, I'm going to pick it up. Now that's if we go back to school. I'm not sure we going back to school, but I'll let you know. All right. What are you guys doing this weekend? What y'all gonna do this weekend? Valeria said nothing. The other Valeria said sleeping, huh? Why don't y'all come over here and help me put together this baby furniture? Thomas say, I don't know, huh? Chris say playing Fortnite. You gonna do chores to get money? How much you get paid to do chores? That's a show on Netflix, Cesar Casa de Papel. That's a show. I gotta finish watching Tiger King on Netflix, bro. I heard it was crazy. Oh, you watch this is for $5? Girl, you better raise your prices. You better tell them you need $10 to wash dishes. Hey, just to let y'all know, some of y'all parents gonna be start getting that stimulus check from the government. So this would be a good time to ask your parents for some stuff. What is hola adios mama? What is that? All right, I'm gonna give y'all I'm gonna get y'all too. I'm gonna walk with the camera. All right. So this is inside my office. All right. So y'all can see, Mr. Traham does a lot of work, bro. So I got a lot of people taxes to do too. Yeah, Brianna, I know you're gonna be on Instagram. And this is my other desk. All right, this is my grandma. Yeah, I got a picture of my grandma made. All right. So this is my other desk or whatever. I walk around here. This closet ain't nothing in this closet but a whole bunch of taxes. All those boxes got nothing but tax papers in them. All right. Nothing but tax papers. Let me see. Where we go? Yeah, my table at school be junky, 100 Kayla. The dog sleep, Chris. Look. Tell the dog get up. Get your lazy self up. Right? The dog sleep, bro. Let me see. At the backyard. Got Austin toys back here. This is the back of the neighborhood. I don't want to go too far because I don't want the Wi-Fi to mess up. So the streamer in, but yeah. Yeah, look at the lazy dog. Dog don't do nothing, bro. Get up. Pay some bills. Get up. All right. It's a living room a little bit. Got to clean up. Got all this baby stuff all over the place. Look at Austin cars. Austin got a whole bunch of cars. He got motorcycles, all kind of stuff, bro. He got 2 motorcycles, a Maserati. He doing better than his daddy, bro. Austin is at daycare, Jacayla. Yeah, daycare. The kitchen. Well, let me see. Well, you can't really see. But that's all Austin baby stuff. Kitchen, let me see. Coming on this light. Stove. Microwave. Refrigerator. Y'all gotta get these struggle noodles. Y'all see these? That's these struggle noodles. These noodles, boy. Get you some of these in your life. Get you some of these in your life. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. That's the breakfast room. This is where we eat. And we look out the window or whatever. A cabinet with a whole bunch of stuff in it. Right? Let me see. This is the dining room table. This is the big table where, this is that table that you don't eat at unless it's like special occasion. Yeah. Like this table or whatever. I think it sit like 8 people at the table. What else? Bathroom. Well, one of the bathrooms. Right. Yeah, Valeria, they always ask, Mr. Tran, can we see your house? Can we see your house? So these are the steps. Going up the steps. Because I gotta have baby gates. Gotta have baby gates because these kids, Austin like to climb, bro. So come upstairs. This is my favorite part about the house. See this right here? This is my favorite thing about the house. Y'all know I love Michael Jordan. Right? This is my favorite thing about the house. right? But I got a Biggie poster. I got a Tupac poster, right? And I got Marvin Gaye, Al Green, some old school singers. Your parents might know about them, you know. Uh, Game room chairs. Plus, I got some baby stuff because you can't have nothing without the babies. Austin got stuff everywhere, bro. And these my characters from The Walking Dead. I don't know if y'all can see that. On the end is as Rick from The Walking Dead. All right, these are all the characters from The Walking Dead. That's Glenn from The Walking Dead. All right, all right. I love The Walking Dead, bro. Uh, what else? Um, oh, this is Jaden's room. Let me show y'all the baby Jaden room. This is Jaden's room. All right. So his room is ready for him. All right. So that's the baby crib or whatever, and this the rocking chair. Yeah. And look at all these damn pampers, bro. A whole bunch of pampers, a whole bunch of wipes, right? And he got a whole bunch of clothes already, bro. Bro got way too many clothes already, bro. Look at all these clothes, bro. Way too many clothes, bro. He got way more clothes than me, right? So that's Jaden room. And this is the washing room or whatever. Nothing fancy about that. Um, this is Austin room. Boy ain't make up his bed before he went to daycare. I'm gonna have to give him that whooping, boy. I have to get that boy a whooping. But yeah, he got a little TV. Got his name up there. That's his bed or whatever, nightstand or whatever. I gotta put some. I gotta put some posters in this room or whatever. I might put this. I might put this Marvel canvas in his room. I'm gonna put this in his room. I got it in my game room right now. But yeah. So I'm gonna put that in his room. And Jacayla, he got a queen size bed, and I had to get him a big bed because that boy sleep bad. That boy be kicking me in my back and everything. I can't sleep with him no more. He had to get his own bed, Jacayla. My dog has two beds actually. Let me show you one of the dog beds. That's one of the dog beds right there. And she got another bed downstairs, but she don't sleep on none of the beds. She always sleeping on the couch or on the ottoman or something. All right. And let me show y'all Chase. This is Chase. This is Austin's best friend, Chase from Paw Patrol. All right. And Austin bought out a lot of clothes too, man. And boys got way too many clothes, man. Way too many clothes. All right. Let me see. Oh, this is Austin bathroom. He gonna share this bathroom with his brother. But it's a bathroom, and then the tub and the toilet is over there or whatever. That's Austin's bathroom. This is a guest room. Nobody's sleeping in here right now, but this is just the guest room. All right. My wife called it the purple room because she put everything in here purple. All right. Oh, and if you pull this down right here, if you pull this down, that's the attic. So you can go upstairs in the attic. All right. Don't. Why you want to see my room, Jacayla? My room junky, bro. My room junky, bro. I'm gonna peek in here. Let me let y'all get a peek. It's junky, bro. It's junky, bro. I gotta clean up, bro. I ain't gonna let you in there. But yeah, man. So this just to give y'all a little tour of the house. I know y'all been asking me. All right. Yeah, you super late, bro. Anyway, hope y'all have a good weekend. I'm not doing nothing. The baby come next Thursday, so I'm gonna just chill, man. Take it easy. But yeah, this is it. Junky. I gotta make that bed up. Oh yeah, these are my pictures. I like these. These are pictures from our wedding. I don't know if y'all can see these. All right. Natalie, if you scroll back up in the text, I typed in what the homework is. All right. It's not my fault you came late. Miss Valeria said, Valeria, you said your room is more messier than that, huh? Well, you need to clean up. All right. This is the bed. That's the shower, bathtub. That's the laundry basket. All right. So you got the sink. My sink is the his, and her sink is the hers. All right. And that's the closet. So, look at all. My wife got all them damn shoes. All right. Let me know if y'all wear a size 7. I'm gonna mail y'all some of my wife's shoes. All right. I ain't gonna tell her. All right. All right. Y'all good? Anything else y'all want to see? I'm not gonna show y'all no guns, okay? I know y'all keep asking me. Show me the guns, Mr. Tram. Show me the guns. All right, make sure y'all hit the like button too. I done walked y'all around my whole house. Don't be no haters. All right. Oh my God, Natalie, is page 39, okay? Oh my God. If Natalie asks for this page one more time, somebody hit her with the chancla. Right? Oh yeah, this is a picture of her. See? That's when he was cute. He bad now. That's when he was cute. There's some people outside on their 4-wheeler. Let me see if y'all can see. Somebody outside on this 4-wheeler. Y'all see him? All right. They outside on their 4-wheeler. And then right here, the garage. One of my cars. All right. And then I painted this on the wall. And I put that on there myself. I painted the garage myself and put that on there. All right. Jacayla, whatever. You know you ain't talking about I ain't trying to be violent. Whatever, Jacayla. You know you be violent. Anyway, I love y'all. I'm finna eat me some noodles, all right? Y'all be cool, all right? Finna eat me some of these struggle noodles. You feel me? Chris, why you want to know what kind of car I got, bro? You trying to steal my car, bro? You say you don't get number 3? Hold up real quick. A Marie got a real question. You say you don't understand number 3? All right, let's get back serious, okay? A Marie, number 3 on page 39 says the school librarian unpacked boxes containing 2,408 new books. She divided the books equally amongst the 28 elementary classes in the school. How many books did the school librarian give each class? All right. Jacayla, I went over number 3 on page 38. She talking about the independent practice for the homework. All right. So let me do that real quick for A Marie, okay? Then we'll be done. All right. I'm gonna do this problem for A Marie. Everybody look at number 39, page 39, number 3. All right. All right, A Marie. This one's for you. The total books was 2,408, right? 2,480 books. All right. Now, there's 28 elementary classes in the school. So I'm going to divide this by 28. All right. Now, 28 is one group plus 28. That's 56. That's two groups plus 28. That's 84, which is three groups, plus 28. That's 112. That's four groups, plus 28. That's 140, which is five groups. All right. And I'm going to go all the way to 9. That way, you'll have all the numbers in the cycle. So 5 groups is 140, right? So if I start off with 140 right here, plus 28, that's 168, which is 6 groups, plus 28, that's 196, which is 7 groups, plus 28, that's 224, which is 8 groups, and one more, plus 28 more. That's 252, which is 9 groups, all right? Now, we have all our answers, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, the biggest number in each cycle is 9. So if you do this 28 all the way up to 9, you'll have every number you need, okay? Now, the rest is just dividing by cycles, okay? So, in the first cycle, 28 cannot go into 2. So it's a 0 above the thousands place. All right? 0 times 28 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down the 4. 28 can now go into 24. So this is another 0, right? That means my answer is 99 and below because it's a 0 in the hundreds place. Okay? So 0 times 28 is 0. 24 minus 0 is 24. Bring down the 0. Now that's 240. All right? So I look. 1 is 28, 2 is 56, 3 is 84, 4 is 112, 5 is 140, 6 is 168, 7 is 196, 8 is 224, and 9 is 252. So 240 is between 224 and 252, but I can't use the 252. So I got to use the 224, which means that 8 goes up at the top. All right? That lets me know my answer is 80 something because there's an 8 in the tens place. All right? Now, 8 times 28 is 224. When I subtract, that's a 3. That's 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have 16 left. Now I bring down that 8, and that's 168. And if I look right here, 168 is right here, and it goes with the number 6. So I know a 6 goes right there. 6 times 28 is 168, and I have no remainder. So my answer is 86. All right? So in the place value cycle, you have 3 spots, and then you have the decimal point, then 2 spots, right? Well, this 86 is 86 wholes. All right? So in your place value spot, you got 3 dots like this, right? Then you have a dot, then you have 2 spots, right? So if it's just 86, you put the 86 right in front of the decimal point. So that's the 8, that's the 6, and then the rest is zeros. All right? It should look just like that. All right? Now, that's your free answer for today. Mariah Perry, it don't do no 0.086, okay? Retract that answer, please, ma'am. All right? It's 86 holes. All right? So that's your blessing for today. That's your free answer for today, okay? All right. I'll see y'all Monday. I don't want to leave y'all on here too long. All right. I love y'all. I'll see y'all Monday. Have a good weekend, okay? Peace. Any questions, hit me on Instagram or my email, okay? Love y'all. Don't eat up all the snacks either, okay?